Introduction to desert survival. Deserts are among the harshest environments on Earth, characterized by extreme temperatures, limited water, and scarce food resources. Despite these challenges, a diverse range of animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive and thrive in desert conditions. These adaptations involve behavioral, physiological, and anatomical changes that enable them to cope with the desert's demanding environment. Water conservation. One of the most critical challenges in the desert is the scarcity of water. Many desert animals have developed strategies to conserve water. For instance, some species, like the kangaroo rat, have highly efficient kidneys that minimize water loss and produce highly concentrated urine. Others, like the camel, can survive without water for extended periods by storing fat in their humps, which can be metabolized into water and energy when needed. Temperature regulation. Desert animals must also contend with extreme temperature fluctuations between day and night. To manage this, many animals exhibit behavioral adaptations. For example, some species are nocturnal, meaning they are active during the cooler night and rest during the hot daytime. Additionally, animals like the fennec fox have large ears that dissipate heat, while others, like the desert tortoise, retreat into burrows or shade to avoid the intense heat. Adaptations for food acquisition. Food is another limited resource in the desert, so animals have developed various strategies to find and utilize it effectively. Many desert animals are opportunistic feeders, consuming a wide range of available food sources. For example, the horned lizard can eat ants, beetles, and other insects that are present in its environment. Some animals, like the dromedary camel, can consume large quantities of food in a single meal when it is available, which helps them sustain themselves during periods of scarcity. Efficient metabolism. Efficient metabolism is crucial for desert survival. Some animals, such as the sand lizard, have adapted by having lower metabolic rates, which reduce their energy and water requirements. By slowing down their metabolism, these animals can survive on limited food and water resources. Additionally, many desert animals have specialized adaptations for utilizing energy more efficiently, such as the ability to enter a state of torpor or hibernation during extreme conditions. Specialized body structures. Desert animals often have specialized body structures that help them cope with their environment. For example, many desert-dwelling insects, like the beetle, have evolved physical adaptations such as reflective body surfaces that reduce heat absorption. Camels have long legs and thick footpads to prevent heat absorption from the hot sand and to traverse long distances. These structural adaptations help them survive the intense conditions of the desert. Reproductive strategies. Reproduction in the desert also involves unique strategies. Many desert animals have adapted to the unpredictable nature of their environment by having flexible reproductive cycles. For instance, some species, like the desert toad, can remain dormant for long periods and only reproduce when conditions are favorable. This ability to time reproduction with seasonal rains or cooler periods ensures the survival of offspring. Behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations play a significant role in desert survival. Animals often exhibit specific behaviors to avoid the hottest parts of the day, such as burrowing underground or hiding in crevices. Social animals may work together to find and share resources, enhancing their survival chances. For example, certain desert rodents create complex burrow systems that provide cooler environments and protection from predators. Conclusion. Surviving in the desert requires a combination of physiological, anatomical, and behavioral adaptations. From conserving water and regulating temperature to efficiently acquiring food and employing specialized reproductive strategies, desert animals have developed a range of strategies to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Understanding these adaptations highlights the incredible resilience and diversity of life in extreme conditions.